Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what are the benefits of AutoPay on T-Mobile. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn on AutoPay. What are actually the benefits of turning it on T-Mobile? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, with AutoPay, if you go into your T-Mobile account and then click on Manage on the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see that My AutoPay is turned on. If I click on Manage AutoPay, what this will actually do is that by setting up AutoPay, you save $5 per line that you automatically pay, up to a maximum of 8 lines. So because I have 7 lines on my phone bill, I save $35 every month. So essentially what happens is that if you turn on AutoPay on T-Mobile, you're going to save $5 every month just for setting up AutoPay. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what are the benefits of AutoPay on T-Mobile. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.